Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you?
Yes, I am fine. What about you?
Thanks, I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Tahir. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Sir. Where do you study?
I study in Jamia Muhammadiyah Nusratul Islam Sankanagar, Karlampur. In which class do you study?
I study in 7th class. In which district do you live?
I live in Karlampur district. In which state do you live?
I live in UP. How many districts are in UP?
There are 25 districts are in UP.
Which are they?
They are Agra, Allahabad, Ambedkar, Ranchi, Amroha, Aurangabad, Azamgarh, Baghpat, Bahrain, Balia, Balrampur, Bandha, Barabanki, Bareilly, Basti, Gadoi,